Hey, what's up? Why are you sneaking in the house like that? Huh?
I went to the gas station.
To the gas station?
Yeah, I went to go buy some snacks.
For 3 hours? You were at the gas station for 3 hours. What were you doing, huh?
My car broke down. I had to wait for AAA. I popped a tire.
Your car broke down. Yeah. Took you a little second to think of that,
I
huh?
had to call AAA. What do you mean?
What do you mean call AAA? Do you even know what AAA is? Whenever your car breaks down, I go to fix it. What do you mean AAA?
Okay, well, I didn't want to wake you up.
Oh, you didn't want to wake me up?
No,
so you were gone for 3 hours. Oh, yeah. Show me your conversation with AAA.
No, stop.
Show me your call log. Show me your call
You're
logs.
such a psycho.
What do you mean I'm a psycho?
If you leave a good man to go and have a hoe phase, don't you dare complain when you can't find a good man in the future. Don't you dare complain. And if you're that guy that got left, you're a fool if you take her back.
Hi. How are you?
क्या करी video?
I'm good, just bored. No, you just left to go somewhere.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but not for long. Are you ready to stay? Okay.
So we just started talking. So why would I spend $670 on some shades? We just started talking.
$670 is not that much. One, two. You ain't supposed to me. What's all that?
No, I'm not doing $670. Like
all he wanted was for her to leave his house after he caught her cheating, but she just have to cause trouble at the end of the day.
Yo. Enough is enough.
You heard that right.
Enough is enough.
You heard that right.
Enough is enough.
Cody, stop. Give
me my neck. Enough is enough. But you're messing with me, huh?
I really wish I was messing with you, but I'm really not, babe.
Why do you buy you flowers? So random guys are gonna go up to you. Oh, let me buy you flowers.
It's freaking hot, you guys. Like, I had
Listen
to...
to me.
What?
So random guys just, oh, let me buy you flowers.
Okay, so basically I was in the aisle of the flowers, right? And I was just looking at them because I thought they were really pretty. And he just offered to buy me flowers. Like, he was like, oh, let me buy you some flowers. And I was like, no, it's okay. Like, I'm taken. He's like, oh, it's just flowers. Which is true, they're just flowers.
And you're like, oh yeah, it's fine, buy me flowers. My boyfriend is mad at me, so yeah, buy me flowers.
Babe, it wasn't even like that. It was more of like, I thought it was a nice gesture and they wanted to genuinely just buy me flowers.
So I can go buy a girl flowers?
Babe, why are you trying to...
I'm gonna buy some
It's
flowers.
not even like that.
The only time you go to the store by yourself is when someone buys you flowers.
Well, that's...
Oh, what a coincidence.
Okay, well, babe, was it my fault? No. He wanted to
you
buy
accepted
me...
him.
How is that my fault?
Like, nah, it's fine, and just walked away.
I did say, no, it's okay, but he insisted. So I was like, okay, that's fine. Like, sure, I'll take that.
How did he look or what?
I don't freaking know. He was like
What do you mean you don't know? You were there, right?
Well, he was like around my age. Like around...
How do you know he was your age? How did he look?
Babe, he looked...
How did he look? Just keep going. You're just stuttering. Keep going.
I wasn't looking at him.
Does he look towards you?
I don't freaking know. You're doing too much, bro. He just wanted to buy me flowers. I said yes. Okay. Some guy was blocking. I was like, oh, excuse me. And he just like started talking to me. Like he tried having a conversation with me. And he was just like, oh, like you're really beautiful. And I was like, oh, thank you. And I just walked away.
And what else?
Listen.
What else? What else?
And I just walked away. And then he kept following me. He legit followed me and tried having a conversation with me.
That's
like,
weird. You should have just ran and asked for help.
oh yeah, I was gonna run with my car and all my things.
If he's following you being a weirdo, you're supposed to like just run and yell for help or call 911.
It wasn't even like that. I literally just...
like, oh yeah, follow me. It's fine, follow me.
Well, usually most modern females tell their significant others this type of stories just to get them jealous. But once it's getting to the scenario where they collect gifts from an unknown person, trust me, bro, she doesn't respect you one bit. And for her to even have the guts to bring those gifts to your home, it's all game over. It's a matter of time before she eventually cheats on you.
I made the server feel really uncomfortable. If y'all could please not argue at the table.
Alright, your date finally showed up. I'm Sydney, I'm going to be taking care of y'all.
Actually, do you want to explain it to her, or do you want me to explain it?
Babe, stop.
No, actually, I wanted you to tell you this, that I'm actually her husband.
Oh.
Yeah, she's very good at hiding things.
We're not talking about this.
Yeah, no, we are talking about this right now. No, we are talking about this. No, it's not.
This is between us.
No,
You
we're
keep
not.
secrets between me all the time.
Yeah, not this, not being on a Tinder date. This is shit.
This is enough.
No, it's not.
You need to go.
No, you need to get over it. No, you need to stop this. Stop.
So y'all made the server feel really uncomfortable. If y'all could please not argue at the table.
Yeah, it's fine. You know she's on a Tinder date right now?
No, you need to get out because my date's about to show up.
I'm not the Tinder date. I'm her husband.
I'm so sorry about that, but I'm gonna need y'all to not fight at the table, please.
Get out, my date's about to be here.
Can I get your number? You mind me asking?
I'm gonna put my man right now.
Huh?
You gonna say anything? Really? Yeah. Nothing.
You sure you don't want my number? No.
Can I get his number?
No, I want yours.
You want my number?
Yeah, I want your number.
Really?
Oh shit.
No,
What?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm so good.
You said this is your brother?
No, it's my man.
Oh.
Seriously.
Shit. Oh shit.
You're not gonna say nothing. You're fine if I give him my number.
I don't see
Yeah,
nothing.
sure.
Sure.
I don't know if this was a prank on the lady or not, but whatever the case may be, this dude should know that his woman is for the streets. All she needed to do was to respect her man and not utter a single word to the stranger, or better still, ignore him. But as she still have a mind for the streets, she won't do any of that. You just dodge a bullet, bro. Go ahead and move on.
I don't feel safe. We'll leave. We'll leave. We over. So why you in my house, sir?
I didn't see my daughter in 6 months, officer.
It's a reason why the court is giving him supervised visits. Let him take it to the
It's a reason because she's lying.
No, I don't want to talk because I feel like y'all came here and only about the gifts. He's only a father on birthdays and gifts. He has supervised visits.
I'm only a father because... Okay. I'm only your father because you keep me away from my kid.
Nobody can keep you away from the kid.
It's simple. It's simple.
You're a bum. You don't pay child support. You don't do nothing. You're a bum. Let me get the paperwork to show you that. I have it in my
She hiding my kid in the room. Like, how you do that on Christmas? I have the paperwork too. Why you ain't come to 18? Why you didn't bring home the 18 so I could have gave her a gift before Christmas? You the bum, and you mad I don't want you. And I'm sorry I don't want you, sweetheart. Just want to see my kid. Like what?
Like, what are you talking about?
Like, how I came to drop off gifts to my kid? You don't want me to see my kid. I don't have no restraining order against you. Leave the gifts and walk away, and I can't see my kid. I ain't seen her in 6 months. Everybody in this building needs to know this girl at 3A be keeping her daughter away from his father. I have a whole gifts to my kid. Nevaeh, daddy loves you, baby.
Get away from my door.
Daddy loves you,
Get
baby.
away from my door.
Where's my kid?
Get away from my door.
Where's my kid?
Get away from my door. I'm gonna call
Where's
the
my
cops.
kid? Where's
You
my
are a
kid?
bum.
Where's my kid? Where's my kid? You hiding my kid in the room? What the hell? What the hell? I brought gifts to my kid. You is a hater. I don't want you. You mad? Damn. I already called 911. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. Bum, you going on Instagram already? Bum. I came to drop off stuff for my kid.